Hi, I'm Ben Scott from the Barnett and Bennett Law Firm. I want to talk today about what's called the Statute of Limitations. This Statute of Limitations is basically like a time limit. You have a time limit in which you have to file a lawsuit against somebody or you forever lost that right. Now there are lots of different statutes of limitation for lots of different things. And I want to focus on some of the statutes of limitation for personal injury. So if you get hurt because somebody else did something wrong, you have a certain amount of time to bring a lawsuit. Now the reason for this is we don't want people to be constantly worried throughout their life that maybe somebody's going to come out and sue them for something that happened 30 years ago. We want them to be able to know that they can move on with their lives. Now here are a few of the statutes of limitations that apply to personal injury. Now typically if you get hurt because of somebody's misconduct, the statute is 2 years from the date of the injury. Now, there are some exceptions if you are a minor when you're hurt. Usually what happens then is you have 2 years from your 18th birthday to file a lawsuit. Now, there are some exceptions. If it's a medical malpractice case, so if you're hurt because of professional negligence, then you have 1 year from the date that you discover the injury, but it can't be any more than 3 years from the date of the doctor's negligence. And if you're suing the government, so if you're suing a city or a county or a state agency, there's some different rules that apply. One of them is that you have to file a claim with the government within 6 months of the date of the injury. And then once they reject that claim, then you have 6 months from that date to file the lawsuit. And then if it's a suit against the U.S. government, then a whole different set of rules apply. And so the lesson to be learned is don't wait too long. If you've been hurt because of somebody else's misconduct, you can't just wait forever. And you don't want to wait until the day before the statute of limitations to file your lawsuit, because that's probably not going to give you enough time. So my best advice, if you've been hurt because somebody broke some rules and did something wrong, go and see an attorney. Call us at the Barnett and Bennett Law Firm and we can help you figure out the best solution.